Hey there YouTube, my name's Eremos, and welcome back to Phasmophobia.
Oh, buddy, let's get scared by a ghost who upset.
Alright, Marcia Carter. We don't know if it's an alone or a group ghost, because we don't get that information anymore.
So I have the dots, I have the book, and then I have my flashlight.
We've got a garage breaker, so I'll go start with that. Why don't you start with the upstairs? Sound good?
No, it doesn't sound good. It sounds horrible.
Excellent.
I don't want to do the upstairs. Can I turn the lights on?
Well, you can, but I gotta get the breaker first.
I found that mirror thing in the
Oh, take that photo. Oh, we also gotta check out all the hiding spots, because a lot of them are gonna be blocked.
Camera.
It's already messing with stuff. Come on. We gotta find that quick.
Okay. Yes.
Alright, that was quick. Found the room like instantly.
This is the room?
Yep. Oh, and we have a hiding spot in it. That's fantastic.
Yes. So can I just put dots down?
I'm gonna wager this is way too late. Yeah.
I don't know anymore. Nah. See, I'm
What was the
prepared.
door
I brought the
touched?
two things that we usually use. But I don't like it. Can I just stay in the closet and hide?
Did you do that?
What?
Never mind, that couldn't have been you. There, we got the interaction. Okay. Wow, this one's way active.
I'm gonna die. Can I just hide in the closet? Is that an option?
You're just gonna lose all your sanity if it's dark.
Well, okay, I'll turn on my flashlight. I'm scared.
You might want to focus.
What?
It's on professional, so we gotta be kind of quick here. We can't just, dick around forever.
Well, well, I'm not wording around because I'm just leaving one door open. Oh no! That
You're
door
writing a book,
started
please.
closing.
Just close that so we can go see. Ooh, we gotta be quick. We gotta be quick.
Again.
Wait, I think we got EMF 5 off the board. I'm not 100% though, because that could be a trailing off from 2.
Okay.
Let's see. We got orbs?
We do.
Yep.
Orbs.
I don't
So
think
if
we
we have
have fingerprints.
EMF, it levels down to 2.
We got orbs all day. That's good.
The door that was open in front of me in the closet started closing, so I quickly clicked on it and then froze because the door was closing. He's going to send me
let's
separate
get
now and back with my flashlight on.
This thermo?
I am ready.
Just gonna give a double check. Oh, we have fingerprints.
Wait, what? On that door? Yeah, he touched it and it scared me. Well, I didn't see him, and I wasn't looking for fingerprints because I don't have the thing for it because I don't have a flashlight.
Are you here?
I'm moving the door.
Where are you? You may have to leave, just in case.
Okay, it's I know what it is. Let me leave.
Where are you? Are you here? Are you friendly? Where are you? How old are you? Touch this door. pretty warm. I mean, it's cold, but it's not cold enough for freezing. I heard something get thrown.
Are orbs like...
Oh! Jesus!
What? Oh, don't scare me like that, bro. What? What was it? Did he go on your face?
Are you
like
here? Where are you? How old are you? Where are you? Okay, I think we can rule that one out.
Wait, is this ghost orbs like little tiny light bulbs flying? Like very slowly?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, you
Wait,
see him?
what? Wait, what? I've always see those like every single time we play this game.
And yet, no.
Is it that? Little flying
okay,
thing?
so it is fingerprints, and it does not appear to be spirit box. So,
It's an fake.
an Obaki, a Hantu, or a Banshee. So
Wait, what are you
could
crossing
be
out?
EMF. It cannot be ghost writing.
So it's not EMF?
It doesn't appear to be freezing, honestly, so I think it's going to be dots or EMF. EMF will be Obaki, and dots will be a Banshee.
Wait, hold on. What? So we have fingerprints and ghost orbs and crossed out dots?
Correct.
Wait, what?
So
Oh,
we
okay.
have fingerprints and ghost orbs. I am not getting spirit box, so I've crossed that out. Ghost writing is impossible with that combination, so we can cross that out. And I'm also not getting freezing. So we're looking for EMF 5
Or dots.
or dots. 2 to 6. That's a 4. There could have been an EMF 5 event in there. Alright, escape during a hunt. Ugh. Motion sensor. Oh, we gotta get a motion sensor.
I'll just watch for the dots if there is any. Is it like I see a cup in the way? Do we need to move the camera?
I might need to move where the dots projector is. There's just EMF 4 going on up there. That should take care of that. Let's move this. Okay. Something's going on in there right now.
Hmm?
Just EMF 4. Whew. It's gotta be dots. That was the ghost event. The ghost event didn't throw a 5.
A cup just fell off as soon as you just walk right in front of me. I don't know if that's important, but now I can see.
Oh, I need to escape during a hunt. Ugh.
No. No. I can't do that.
Escape during a hunt
Always
sucks.
I never died.
Alright, we can be hunted, but I'm not quite ready to trigger a hunt just yet.
Mm. Yeah, I'm not
Okay, what else can we do here? So, let's try a better camera angle.
Okay, Banshee is this singing siren known for attracting its victims through song.
This is not much
It's known
better.
to single out its prey before making a kill blow. Strength. Banshees will weaken their target before striking. Weakness. Banshees can sometimes be heard screaming with a, I don't know, something microphone. And the other one is...
Oh yeah, I've heard about that. Let me
What?
get the parabolic mic. See if I can hear it.
Okay, I'm gonna read the Obaki. I don't know how to say it. How do you say it?
I don't know, Obaki, I guess.
Abaki. Abaki are terrifying shapeshifters, capable of taking many forms. Oh wow, on many forms. They have been seen taking humanoid shapes to attract their prey. Strength. When
Here?
I don't know that word because I can't read. I can, but I'm not. Big word. With the environment and Obaki. I don't. I'm just a bake. Oh, bake.
Give it up.
I will. Will rarely leave a trace. Weakness. Sometimes this ghost will shapeshift, leaving behind unique evidence, and that is evidence is EMF level 5, fingerprints and ghost orbs. Banshee is fingerprints, ghost orbs, dots. We're checking that. I can read. Oh, I see her head sticking out.
Yeah.
And it looks funny.
EMF 4.
Close. Someone just closed that door, unless that was you. Starting to at least.
No, that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna book.
Book.
Yep. We gotta look for. Let's see. Okay, I could see the orbs from the outside door here. Give me the dots. What are we thinking here? This is a tough one. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go in there with smudge stick. And I'm just gonna watch it from up close. Wait a minute.
Well,
Is Obaki... That's not the one that, I think I'm thinking of Agorio. Yeah, Agorio is the one where you can only see the dots from far away. Okay. Crap. Alright, yep. Do this. Walk in the dots.
oh boy. Let's see. Oh, your sanity is down a lot. 33. It's out of 10. The total activity is at a 10.
Okay.
Did you die?
No.
Okay, good. Like, I can't do that. I cannot. Last
Didn't
time.
count as me escaping during a hunt? Jeez. It started the hunt right in the room with me.
Mm-hmm.
But wait. Wait. If it was a banshee, there would have to be a burned up, yeah, there would have to be a burned crucifix. Like, all the way gone burned. Okay, hold on. Let me go look. There can't be a banshee. A banshee is really affected by a crucifix.
Mm. So it's
Like it has a lot greater radius of protection.
Mhm. So it's an opaque E, right?
I think so.
And if I get it
Baki
wrong,
is going to be EMF 5. And I mean, I think I've seen EMF 5 on the board. Still haven't escaped it during a hunt. Which, I mean, I can try to do, sort of. I don't get it. This is the ghost room.
yes, pretty sure.
Well, no, there's no question. It has to be. Two. Hey, is it hunting?
No.
Whew.
Mm.
That got spooky. No EMF on the board there. Well, not EMF 5. I mean, you've been watching this whole time. You haven't seen any dots.
No, there's no dots.
It's got to be EMF 5.
Mhm.
2, yeah, there's EMF 5 on the board right there. The jump to 2, then the jump up to 6. It's that jump to 6 from 2. It's got to be EMF. Just not getting it in person. Okay, so let's look at Obaki. What's an Obaki's deal? What the hell is it? When interacting with the environment, an Obaki will rarely leave a trace. Sometimes the ghost will shapeshift, leaving behind unique evidence. Now, that one, that's the fingerprints. It can leave a 6-fingered fingerprint.
You know, I imagine it was like, well, I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna go back in there and we're gonna try a little bit more. I want that fingerprint. It's touching lots of stuff.
Imagine it was the twins. How sad, how funny would that be? That would actually be really sad because I don't want to get this wrong.
The twins?
Yeah, imagine. Just imagine. I don't know. I was looking for some random name and I found them.
Okay. Different shower? I was touching everything up in here. Let's try out here. It's moving freely between all of those end bedrooms, like all of those showers it keeps turning on. It touched a lot of doors. If we could have made a bunch of money if I'd have had video cameras in there. Or photo cameras. Okay, I'll keep looking for EMF. There's so much interaction going on. I can't believe we can't get this one way or the other. So it's back in here with this. There's EMF 5. Finally. It is an Obaki. Okay, we've proven it. So I did read it on the board ages ago. Good grief. What a pain that one was. Alright, you got Obaki?
Yes.
Whew, that is a real step up for professional. Discern that one. There it is. It was an Obaki. Perfect.
Yay!
Oh, we never went and found the bone.
Well,
Forgot all about it.
Oh well. Is that the last one or was there like a couple more?
Let's see, there were 2 hunts. Yep, alright, I remember them. No, it's after 10 now. I think that's got to be it because I got to get up for work in the morning.
Okay.